Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to do the vocabulary review sentences for second grade Journeys, lesson 4. And our story is Diary of a Spider. So for this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper, and you're going to write your numbers 1 through 21. 1 to 21. Or if your teacher has given you this worksheet, which has 21 sentences on it on the front and the back, you can use that. So if you need to, push pause, get your pencil and paper, write your numbers 1 through 21, or get your worksheet with the sentences 1 through 21, and then push play when you're ready. Let's review our words. You do not need to write them now. A is insects. B, dangerous. Say it after me. C, scare. D, sticky. E, rotten. F, screaming. G, breeze. H, judge. So those are our choices. Here's our learning target. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Success criteria. How will you know you're successful at using pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence? Well, just like these people are climbing a mountain to reach the top, our goal is to reach our learning target. And here's our steps for success. I will, number 1, read each sentence or group of words. 2, choose the vocabulary word that best fits each sentence. 3, write the correct word on my whiteboard or paper. So number 1, here's number 1. It is blank to play with a lighter. It is blank to play with a lighter. It is insects to play with a lighter. It is dangerous to play with a lighter. It is scare to play with a lighter, or it is sticky to play with a lighter. What makes the best sense in that sentence? Dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. So make sure you write the word dangerous on your paper. It is dangerous to play with a lighter. So if you need to, push pause if I'm going too fast, or you can move on with me right now. Number 2, the blank meat was growing mold. The blank meat was growing mold. Would it be rotten? The rotten meat was growing mold. The screaming meat was growing mold. The breeze meat was growing mold, or the judge meat was growing mold. What word makes the best sense in that sentence, given our picture clues and the context of where it is in the sentence? You're right, it's rotten. The rotten meat was growing mold. The rotten meat was growing mold. R-O-T-T-E-N, rotten. Make sure you double that T to make the O stay short. Rotten. Number 3, my hands were blank from the jelly. My hands were blank from the jelly. Would it be my hands were insects from the jelly? My hands were dangerous from the jelly? My hands were scare from the jelly? Or my hands were sticky from the jelly? Look at your picture clue and the context of where the word is in the sentence. Sticky. My hands were sticky from the jelly. S-T-I-C-K-Y, sticky. My hands were sticky from the jelly. S-T-I-C-K-Y, sticky. Number 4, The baby was blank for his mommy. The baby was blank for his mommy. Is it the baby was rotten for his mommy? The baby was screaming for his mommy. The baby was breeze for his mommy. The baby was judge for his mommy. What makes sense given our picture clue and the context of where the word is in the sentence? It's screaming, S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G. The baby was screaming for his mommy. If you notice at the beginning of the video, you see the baby screaming. So the baby was screaming for his mommy. Scream is the root word and it has ing. Did the ghost blank you? Did the ghost blank you? Did the ghost insects you? Did the ghost dangerous you? Did the ghost scare you? Or did the ghost sticky you? What makes sense given our context clue of the pictures or where the word is in the sentence? Scare, S-C-A-R-E. It has a magic E to make the A say its name, scare. Did the ghost scare you? If you notice, Scooby-Doo and Shaggy look scared, so that's a picture clue right there. Did the ghost scare you? Number 6, the cool blank felt nice on my skin. The cool rotten felt nice on my skin. The cool screaming felt nice on my skin. The cool breeze felt nice on my skin. Or the cool judge felt nice on my skin. What sounds the best and makes the most sense? And what do you notice in the picture clue? Breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. The cool breeze felt nice on my skin. The cool breeze felt nice on my skin. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Number 7, there are many different kinds of blank. Look at our picture clue and where the word is in the sentence. There are many kinds of insects. There are many kinds of dangerous. There are many kinds of scare. There are many kinds of sticky. How does the picture clue help us? Insects. There are many different kinds of insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S. There are many different kinds of insects. Number 8, it's not nice to blank other people. So look at your picture clues. It's not nice to rotten other people. It's not nice to screaming other people. It's not nice to breeze other people. Or it's not nice to judge other people. Judge, J-U-D-G-E. It's not nice to judge other people. And the little girl there is pretending to be a judge in a courtroom. J-U-D-G-E. It's not nice to judge other people. Number 9, bees and ladybugs are types of blank. Bees and ladybugs are types of insects. Bees and ladybugs are types of dangerous. Bees and ladybugs are types of scare. Bees and ladybugs are types of sticky. What makes sense in the sentence? Bees and ladybugs are types of insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Bees and ladybugs are types of insects. Number 10. The lost child was blank for help. The lost child was blank for help. Would it be the lost child was rotten for help? The lost child was screaming for help? The lost child was breeze for help? Or the lost child was judge for help? What makes most sense? Screaming. The root word is scream, and you notice the boy is screaming in the picture. So that is your clue, your picture clue. The lost child was screaming for help. SCREAMING, screaming. All right, number 11. Driving a car can be blank. Driving a car can be blank. Driving a car can be insects. Driving a car can be dangerous. Driving a car can be scare. Or driving a car can be sticky. Look at your picture clue. What do you think? Dangerous. Driving a car can be dangerous. 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 Driving a car can be dangerous. And I apologize if I'm going too fast or too slow. I just don't want to do either. Number 12. There was a light blank outside. There was a light blank outside. There was a light rotten outside. There was a light screaming outside. There was a light breeze outside. Or there was a light judge outside. There was a light breeze outside. BREEZE, breeze. There was a light breeze outside. Number 13. My shoe was blank after stepping on gum. My shoe was blank after stepping on gum. My shoe was insects after stepping on gum. My shoe was dangerous after stepping on gum. My shoe was scare after stepping on gum. Or my shoe was sticky after stepping on gum. Look at your picture clues. Sticky. My shoe was sticky after stepping on gum. My shoe was sticky after stepping on gum. STICKY. To stick. So stick is the root word, and the Y at the end makes it describing word. Sticky. 14. The vegetables were moldy and blank. Look at that picture clue. What fits it? The vegetables were moldy and rotten. The vegetables were moldy and screaming. The vegetables were moldy and breeze. Or the vegetables were moldy and judge. What makes the best sense there, given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Rotten. The vegetables were moldy and rotten. The vegetables were moldy and rotten. ROTTEN. To rot means they're old and they get moldy when they're rotten. ROTTEN, rotten. Number 15, did the trick blank you? Did the trick blank you or make you laugh? Did the trick blank you or make you laugh? Did the trick insects you or make you laugh? Did the trick dangerous you or make you laugh? Did the trick scare you or make you laugh? Did the trick sticky you or make you laugh? So there's a trick spider there. So what would the trick spider do? Did the trick spider scare you or make you laugh? There's a trick spider. And I think there's some trick ants as well. I'm not sure. Did the trick scare you or make you laugh? S-C-A-R-E, scare. S-C-A-R-E, scare. Because many people are scared from spiders. 16. Get to know a person before you blank them. Get to know a person before you rotten them. Get to know a person before you screaming them. Get to know a person before you breeze them. Get to know a person before you judge them. Judge. Get to know a person before you judge them. If you notice in our picture clues, it looks like two of the kids are talking and judging the other student or kid. J-U-D-G. Get to know a person before you judge them. With its twists and turns, the roller coaster seemed perilous. My heart was beating fast, but I knew this would be fun. Perilous probably means what? With its twists and turns, the roller coaster seemed insect. With its twists and turns, the roller coaster seemed dangerous. With its twists and turns, the roller coaster seemed scare. Or with its twists and turns, the roller coaster seems sticky. Dangerous. Perilous probably means dangerous. It looks dangerous. With its twists and turns, the roller coaster seemed perilous. My heart was beating fast, but I knew it would be fun. Perilous probably means dangerous. And if it is dangerous, you might feel scared, but perilous more likely means dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R, danger, us, O-U-S. 18. My dad and I picked up trash from the side of the road last week. A lot of the food we found was decaying. It was gross. Decaying probably means rotten, screaming, breeze, or judge. A lot of food we found was rotten. A lot of food we found was screaming. A lot of food we found was breeze. A lot of food we found was judge. Decaying probably means rotten. A lot of food we found was rotten. R-O-T-T-E-N. Rotten. R-O-T-T-E-N. Rotten. 19. It says, hi, my name is Susie the Aphid. That's what the aphid is saying. Hi, my name is Susie the Aphid. When I first saw Susie, I thought she was a spider. But then I counted her 6 legs and found out she was an aphid. Aphids are probably insects. Aphids are probably dangerous. Aphids are probably scare, or aphids is probably sticky. I counted her 6 legs and found out she was an insect, found out she was dangerous, found out she was scare, or found out she was sticky. Aphids are probably what? Insects. Aphids are probably insects. INSECTS, insects. The gum was adherent to the bottom of my shoe. I had to scrape it off with a stick, and some still did not come off. Adherent probably means insects. Adherent probably means dangerous. Adherent probably means scare, or adherent probably means sticky. The gum was insects to the bottom of my shoe. The gum was dangerous to the bottom of my shoe. The gum was scare to the bottom of my shoe, or the gum was sticky to the bottom of my shoe. Adherent probably means sticky, STICKY, sticky. We know that gum is sticky, STICKY. Last one. Spiders petrify my sister. Their 8 wiggly legs and their tiny eyes make her shake and run with fear. Spiders petrify my sister. Their 8 wiggly legs and their tiny eyes make her shake and run with fear. Petrify probably means insects. Spiders insects my sister. Spiders dangerous my sister. Spiders scare my sister, or spiders sticky my sister. Petrify probably means scare. Spiders scare my sister or petrify her. I was petrified. That means I was scared. Petrified probably means scare. 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 All right, let's check our work. If you need to, push pause if I'm going too fast. Number 1 was dangerous. Number 2, rotten, ROTTEN. Number 3, sticky, STICKY, sticky. 4, screaming, SCREAMING, screaming. 5, scare, SCARE, scare. 6, breeze, BREEZE. 7, insects, INSECTS. 8, judge, JUDGE, judge. 9, insects again. 10, screaming. 11, dangerous. 12, breeze. 13, sticky. 14, rotten. 15, scare. 16, judge. 17, dangerous. 18, rotten. 19, insects. 20, sticky. 21, scare. Those are a lot of vocabulary words. Boys and girls, if you need to, push pause to get the word you're missing. And nice work. You have mastered your vocabulary words. Let's reflect on our learning target. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Would it be 4? I could teach this lesson. I easily selected all the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Would you give yourself a 3? I was able to select most of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. 2, I was able to select some of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or 1, I was not able to select any of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Boys and girls, thank you for doing this vocabulary review activity with me. I had fun. I hope you did too. Have a great day.